Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the back post double crochet stitch. It's a variation of the regular double crochet and a great way to create texture while crocheting. Start by a yarn over, then you're going to work the back post double crochet around the post of the stitch by inserting the crochet from back to front and then from front to back between the next two stitches, then yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and go through two loops and yarn over and go through both loops on the crochet hook. And this is a back post double crochet. Let's do another one. Yarn over, go between the next two stitches from back to front and from front to back between the next two stitches, then pull up a loop, yarn over and go through two loops, and yarn over and go through two loops. Let's do another one. Yarn over, go from the back to the front and from front to back between the stitches and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through both, and yarn over and go through both. Do another one, yarn over, go from back to front and from front to back around the post of the stitch and yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through two, and yarn over and go through two. And this is how easy the back post double crochet is and how it looks after a few stitches. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial.